Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete a business profile from Google Maps. First, make sure you are signed in to the Google account that is connected to your business profile. Once you are signed in, open Google Search or Google Maps in your browser. In the search bar, type the words My Business and press Enter. Google will show your business management panel at the top of the results. In that panel, click on the button that says View Profile. This will open your business profile dashboard where you can manage settings and information about your listing. Now look at the top right corner of the profile dashboard. You will see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on that icon to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Business Profile Settings. After clicking that option, another menu will appear with additional settings related to your profile. Next, click on Remove Business Profile. This option allows you to delete the content of the profile and stop managing the listing from your account. Before completing the removal, it is recommended to mark the business as permanently closed. This helps the listing disappear from search results more quickly. After that, click Continue. Then click Remove. Finally, click Done to finish the process. Your business profile content and managers will now be removed from your account. Thanks for watching.